could get a pretty good push of monsoonal moisture later on this week, but for today, on this Wednesday, September the 10th, temperature is going to be in the upper 80s for us in Denver. Today is trending drier compared to yesterday. We had a dry microburst, a 51-mile-an-hour wind move through the airport that made a real mess of things during the late afternoon. There was a ground stop. I always talk about this all the time. If you don't have to fly through Denver between 3 and 6 p.m. during the summer months, don't do it because stuff like that happens all the time. However, lower chance for that today. So if you got a flight in or out of the airport, I think you're generally pretty okay for today. In the mountains, though, we'll start to see a surge in our southwestern mountains in those showers and thunderstorms, and that's going to increase as we head over the next couple of days. Reason being, we get an area of high pressure that drifts off to our east, low pressure off to our west. That low gets closer and closer. Point being, those two things, that low counterclockwise flow, high clockwise flow, that'll continually draw up moisture. This will keep us pretty stormy for us in the southwestern mountains, the San Juan, Sangre Cristos, Swatch Mountains over the next few days, with some spots picking up a good 1 to 2 inches of rain, daily storm chances. So generally speaking, if you got plans in the mountains, the further south you go over the next couple of days, the stormier it will be, the further north you go. Generally speaking, the drier it'll be, though the mountains will have a chance for storms as well. In Denver, our high storm odds will be on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and probably Friday itself. The stormiest days, a cold front moves through. Not much of a front, though. Not as sharp as last week's, with those temperatures dropping into the upper 70s for us on Saturday. Temperatures next week, maybe a bit on the cooler side. Bit of a nip of fall for us next week, but until then, we're mostly in the 80s.